Hello guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you something huge. Canva just dropped a game-changing update at Canva Create. It's called the Canva Code. And yep, you can now code inside Canva, and all you need to do is just a simple prompt. Writing a simple prompt. It requires zero coding skills. And this is actually next level, and think website, widget, interactive games and apps, even mini apps without writing a single line of code. So let's dive deep in and take a first look at this Canva code. So first thing, we search for Canva, go to Canva, home, and here it is. Click Canva AI and click code for me. As you can see right here, there is an interactive pricing calculator that I can share with my clients, and menus, flashcard games, sample countdown timer, and also a digital birthday card. So maybe let's try a countdown timer. Let's make it 1 minute actually, because I already tried it and it will take too much time. So just hit submit, and all you have to do is just wait for the AI to do the job. It's actually start to write the whole code from scratch, and it will make you this timer right here. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you want more in-depth tutorial about how to make application and how to make and customize your own application with the Canva code with this future AI tools. Please let me know if you have anything in the comment. I can answer it all, and just leave me a comment and I will answer right back. So here is our finished application. All you have to do is just hit start and it will start counting. Hit reset and it will reset that automatically. So let's try a new application. Maybe let's create a menu for a restaurant. Build your own order. Let's name it STTPG as our channel, and let's try that. And yeah, guys, I just want to say that there is one bad thing actually. You can't go to another page. For example, let's try ChatGPT. You can't go to another page while it's doing the code, because it will pause automatically. As you can see, we leave it in 60, and when we go back, it's already 60 also. So all you have to do is just wait until it finishes the code. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tips, and more content like this is coming. So leave a comment if you want anything specific and I will answer right back. So stay tuned, guys. It's actually taken too much longer than I expected, but here it is. It's finished already. So let's take a look at it. We have some pastas and we have dessert. Let's add a panna cotta and chocolate torta. Alright, that's actually very good. Let's add some garlic focaccia. And it's doing the order by itself. And clear. Oh, that's very nice actually. Maybe let's try a final step. Maybe let's create a quiz game about football. As simple as that, guys, and it will do the job actually. Just wait for it and you will see things. As you can see right here, guys, the AI feature is outstanding, but you can there is a couple things you need to know. You can't fully maximize and customize the design inside Canva yet because I tried to change some fonts and adding some banner or dragging photos, but there is no luck about that. The button sometimes in the published version doesn't always work as expected, and you you cannot access the raw code that Canva generate once it runs. You see the output, but you can't manually edit it at the backend yet. And I think they will make so much improvement in the near future. So as you can see right here, our game is completed. Let's start the quiz. Which country won the 2022 FIFA World Cup? Obviously, it's Argentina. Next question. Who holds the record of the most goals in a single calendar year? It's Lionel Messi. Which club has the most? Actually, it's the best in the world, Real Madrid. Next question. The famous Hand of God goals was scored by which player? And it's Diego Maradona. Next question. Which team known as the Red Devils? Definitely not Liverpool. It's actually Man United. Next question, and that's it. Quiz complete. Your final score 5 on 5. Perfect score. You are a football genius. And that's it, guys, for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment if you have any suggestion. If you have any question, I will answer that right back. And I love you all. See you in the next video.